the stylish single-rail solution for every curved staircase. The Freecurve stairlift is easy to use. Simply unfold the seat and the armrests. Take a seat and unfold the footrest by pushing the button. Make sure the seat belt is fastened. To start the ride, simply push and hold the toggle. The stairlift will now travel in the desired direction. The single-rail Freecurve stairlift has a slim and unobtrusive design and is tailor-made for your staircase to ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. This stylish Handicare stairlift offers you a selection of seats and colours to match your home and decor and can be customised to suit your individual needs. The stairlift is equipped with safety sensors, which will stop the stairlift should an obstacle be detected. As the lift is battery-powered, the lift will still work in case of a power outage. With its many features, the Handicare Freecurve will be a valuable addition to your home. At the top landing, the lift will slowly come to a stop. If you want to swivel the seat, just hold the toggle in the same direction. You can now unbuckle the seatbelt and safely step onto the landing. To minimize intrusion for other stair users, the stairlift can be folded up to save space. The Handicare Freecurve stairlift, the stylish single-rail solution for every curved staircase.